Did you really just make a YouTube account to make money? Fast money? Buddy, you're going nowhere fast. You're stuck in this entropy. You're going nowhere. Why am I saying this? Well, because if you want loyal subscribers, if you want people coming back to your channel, you have to be passionate about what you speak about. Don't think about it in the money perspective. Don't think, oh my gosh, if I get 1 million subscribers, if I trend every day, I will get this money. That's not a logical way to start. The best way to start is being passionate. Pick a subject, know about that subject, and speak with passion. Your viewers sense that. And if you could bring this passion to the table, they will come back. They will keep clicking your channel. They want to see more from you. You understand what I'm saying? They could feel your vibe. They could feel your energy. The more they sense that, the more they want to come back and feel this energy again. So be passionate about what you talk about. Don't come here for the money. You're not going to get it. Especially if that's all that's on your mind. If all you're thinking about is making money, your videos are going to be crappy as shit. You're going to have crappy ass videos that nobody want to watch, and you're wondering why. Why do I only have 12 subscribers? Why can't I be famous on YouTube? Because you're not passionate enough. You're not willing to put in the work and effort simply because you want it handed to you. You don't want to do the work. You don't. And don't look at me like I'm crazy, because you don't. You're not passionate. If you were passionate enough, having 1 subscriber would not discourage you from making videos. Or 45 subscribers, which is how much I have, that wouldn't discourage you from making videos. What would discourage you is you not making the money. Why? Because you're not real with yourself. Unspeakable IQ, and I am out. Peace, buddy. Peace. Don't come back. For those of you who wants to make this transition through psychology, you can message me. I'll be happy to reply. And I swear to God, your life will be changed as long as you're willing to open your ears and listen and actually test out these freaking theories. You understand what I'm saying? So here's a tip to people seeking results without putting in the hard work. Go fuck yourself. Why do I say this? Because how dare you fucking sit there, not put effort, and expect to excel? If it was that freaking easy, everybody would have been doing it. Now calm your fuck ass down. Get off your fucking computer and get things done.